Hi, welcome back. For SAP MM training class, Material Master, and we are going to see the second part today. Because of conveniency, I have divided all the topics into the parts. First part I have been explained in the past, and today we are going to see second part. And this Material Master I have divided into 5 parts because it is a lengthy subject. Lot of fields are there to learn. I am explaining always not just like a simple or something. Each and every pinpoint I am explaining. That's why it has become more lengthy. That's why I have divided into 5 parts. About these contents, I have already explained in the first part. Now we are going to see the second part. Today we will see what is standard and moving average prices with examples. How is the information organized in that? Who are materials are numbered? Who has access to the materials? Material master. This part we are going to see in this part 2. Now let me explain what is standard price and moving average, how their effects are there in the accounts. We are going to discuss today's class. In an organization, when we are buying a material, there are 2 kind of valuation methods we adopt. One is standard price, another one is moving average price method. In this standard price, the price always constant, it doesn't change. Whereas valuation, according to the price, it will happen. But in case of moving average, price keep on changes. Materials, when we buy, we never buy with the same price. As period goes on, prices changes, either increases or decreases. As demand reduces, market price will also fall down. You may get the material for cheap price. So how these effects happens in the accounts while we are doing valuation? What is meant by valuation? Why we wanted the valuation? As a owner, you have spent money on the materials when you are doing a business. So you always wanted at any instant what is the material, what is the property, value of the property you have. So materials is also a assets. So you always have to know that what stock you have in hand. How can you come to know what stock? The stock in terms of money we are going to measure. Pieces also there, but as a owner you always wanted what value of stock, total value of stock you have it, you wanted to know. So there are different kinds of products, there are different kinds of materials. When you wanted to add together, one item is having with different value, another one is with a different value, you cannot sum it in pieces. You cannot compare with the pieces or item wise. You only compare with the value wise. That's why the valuation is necessary. So here our importance is to see between the standard price and moving price how these will be useful and how these are effects in their effects in the accounts. Now let us consider standard price first. In this standard price, first we have the material in hand or in stock. Let us say 100 pieces are there. We bought it for the 50 euros per piece, and the total valuation is 100 into 50 is 5000 euros value you have at present. Now in this standard price method, if you purchase a new stock, that means same material you are buying, then what effects happens in the system, in the accounts, how valuation takes place. Purchasing a new stock, let us imagine 200 pieces you are going to buy at the price of 60, not with the same standard price 50, you are buying with higher price 60. So the total value of the purchase document is 12,000 euros. So when you have bought this 200 and before it has 100 pieces, total it has become 300 pieces in stock now. But since it is a standard price you have adapted, you kept the 50 euros as standard, and with that if you do the valuation, what stock you have in hand, it will show 300 into 50 is 15,000 value of stock you have in your hand now after this new purchase of the stock. But actually you spend more money. Before it was the valuation of stock for 100 pieces is 5,000, and new stock when you have bought it, it is 12,000 euros. It's supposed to be the total stock valuation must be 17,000. Instead of that, the valuation stock is only taking place as 15,000. Where this 2,000 is going, the difference of 2,000 is going. This 2,000 difference, it will go to the offset price difference account, because the price is constant. The valuation will do that. Then any excess price than standard price you purchase will go to the offset difference account. Later on, this will go into the consumption or into the adjustment. The account peoples will do it, but this adjustment will go among many products. So whereas in other cases different, we will discuss that. So now here what is happening, the excess amount is going to the offset price difference. Now we will take another scenario in this, is like stock we are issuing for production or for consumption. You are making a new product, means that old the raw material you are consuming and preparing with a new products, that is a goods issue or stock issue when you are doing it. Maybe you are without producing also you are expensing for other cost centers, so that takes place. You are you have to imagine that you are consuming it. When it is consumed, what price that consumption material you are taking, that means what is the cost of the consumption, the system will take. Now let us imagine 100 pieces you have issued for production or issued for a cost center. What price it will draw, because since it is a stock price is 50 standard price, so it will draw with that standard price only. So that means 5,000 euros value of stock you have consumed. Before it was 15,000 stock. Here and now after consumption it has become 10,000 only, 5,000 is been less. And now the total stock value is what? 200 into 50 is 10,000. So the calculation is balanced. Now another scenario is you have bought again new stock, same material, you buy new stock of 300 pieces with a price 40 euros, then it will become the purchase order value, it will become 12,000 euros. Here what happened, before you purchase it, the price rate is 10 euros more than the standard price. That time 12,000 euros, you got it only 200 pieces. When the price is become less, now also 12,000 the value of the purchase order, 300 pieces you got, means 100 pieces you got more. This time what happened, you are in profit. So in this case what is happened, now 500 with 50, it's supposed to be 2,500 the total stock value, but when you add this one, they're supposed to be, if it is 50, they're supposed to be 1,500. Before it was 10,000. Now what is, how much it is added? It is added 15,000, but the value of the new purchase is only 12,000 euros. So that means there is again 3,000 difference, but 3,000 difference you got benefit. So this 3,000 again excess less material that you have got benefit, it again it goes to the offset price difference in another side, credit side. So now the difference again always after this is a continual process. The difference finally when the accounts management they will do it, that time the difference will be either they will consumption or their profit, they will take it, account peoples according to their own conveniency. So that is not our subject here. So now here what happened, 12 instead of 12,000 the stock value is, you buy it for less, stock value is actually is less, but it is showing this more. So 25,000 is stock value, now it is showing. So this is the way anything excess or less, it will excess or less to the standard price, it will post to the difference will post to the offset price differences. I hope you understand. So now let us go to the moving average price. Same scenario we consider, what effects in this we will see, we observe it. So now in a hand here also is 100 pieces, and with the stock value is price of each item is 50 euros and stock value is 5,000 euros already in the beginning opening stock. Now if we buy a new stock, if we buy a new stock of 200 pieces with rate of 60, the purchase order value will become 12,000 euros. And now what happened? Here it is not 15,000, 3,050, it's supposed to be 15,000 stock value, but here it is not taking this by multiplying this one, it is taking actual one. 5,000 you already have the material cost for 100 pieces, and you bought it for the 12,000, actually you spent 12,000 euros. Now the total stock value is 17,000 only. So this is an exact figure of value you spend for the material to bought. Now if 350 if you multiply, it will not balance, it was only 15,000 as per this price. So 15,000, and there is again 2,000 difference is there. Actual stock value is 17,000, and if you multiply with this old price is 15,000, that 2,000 difference, the whatever difference is there, it is going to post to the same stock only. How it will post? When it will post to the same stock, the automatically price will increase. That means value is posted to the stock, price will increase. How it is? This 2,000 will go here and the difference divided by the total stock. The difference is 2,000 and divided by total stock is 300 pieces. You will get a 6.7 value. This 6.7 will add to the earlier 50 price. Before it was 50 price was there, and now 6.7 will add to the 50. It will become 56.7 new price. So now the actual value is also balancing, and this 300 with 56.7 is also 17,000 euros the stock value. Thus the price of this moving with the average. That's why it is called as moving average price. Now let us, in this case, when you are issuing, what price it will draw, at what price it is going to draw from the system. Means when you are purchasing with a value, certain value, and when you are issuing material, you are also issuing with the same material, so that the stock value always remains with that quantity same. Now issue, goods issue, 100 pieces, again we have issued it. So when you are issuing it, whatever that stock price present that time is there, it will issue with that price. Earlier it was always issuing with the standard price, there is no change of price, 50 only. Now it is issuing, if it is in moving average price, with 56.7. So the value is going to less, in that 5,670 is going to less. So that means before it is 17,000, if you remove from 5,600, it will become 11,330. Now if we buy again another material, what is going to happen? Let's see. Same scenario like before one. In the standard price, we are buying 300 pieces with lesser than the price what before. So 40 euros we are purchasing it, and 12,000 is the purchase order value. So now 500, 5,000, 12,000, 12,000, 24 plus 5, 29,000 minus this 5,700, 670 will become 23,330 is the stock value. Now in pieces, what's the stock piece raised up? Before 100 in hand, 200 included is 300. Again minus by 100 pieces, it has become 200. 200 again we have bought it for 300 pieces again. It has become the, now stock is 500. This stock with this multiplying the old price, it is giving a higher price, but we bought it for lesser price. Actually when you multiply with the old price, 28,350 euros supposed to be the stock value, but actual stock value you spend only 23,330 only. So then what happened here? The price is came down, so the average price also supposed to be down, then only it will balance. It is calculating with the old price. Then what is the difference? Difference is 5,020 again divides by this total stock on that time in hand, or in the total stock. So 5,020 divided by 500 gives the 10.04 euros price per each piece. This piece, now this time it is going to minus from the old price. It is not just like a 10.04 minus. You can imagine difference, that it's reducing from the 56.7. So that's why it's going to be 46.66 euros per piece. Now with this price 500 pieces will be the cost of 23,330 euros value it will be. So this is the way how the difference of the either increase or decrease, whatever the difference and the purchase value is going to post to the same stock only. That's why the stock price is either increases if you buy with a higher price, it reduces if you buy the material with lower price. So the price, stock price per piece will always varies. That's why it is varies in the average, because you are dividing by total number of stock. So each item you what difference price will come, that you are it is adding to that. Now this effect we will see practically in SAP. We will consider the two different material, one is with the standard price and one is with the moving average per price, and we will post it and then we'll see how the effects it will show. I have created two materials, one is with moving average price, one is with standard price. The material names I kept it demo SP standard price 02, other one is moving average price MAP 02. So I will show you the stocks inside that one. Just I have created, I have not entered anything. So let us go to, I will deselect all of them. I will select directly only an accounting view, so that I can go to directly that accounting view only. So in this accounting view you see this standard price. I have taken 50 is the 50 euros is the standard price I have taken. Moving average blank I kept it. So here the price control is I have taken as yes for standard price, B for another method, B for moving average. Okay. So now I'll go to another document. I will deselect all the views. I only will select this accounting. Here accounting view, in this you see here I have selected only the price control V, and standard price I have not taken anything, and moving average price presently is 0 because there is no stock at all. Stock is 0. When we buy along with the purchase, the stock moving average price will come. So now how this effect will come again after making the purchase order, we will see this. You see now I have created two materials, as I told, that SP02 and MAP02 for moving average for standard price. I have made a new purchasing so that there will be initial stock in each of the material. In one purchase order I have made 100 pieces for the demo SP02, 100 pieces for the demo MAP02 with a price of 50/50 as I explained in my theory. So to the plant 1000 and storage location is 0001. So I made it already. The result of this we will see. The result of this effect in the valuation, how it will be, we will see. I am pausing and I am showing directly, reason because length of this video is increasing too much. So the specific where I wanted to focus, that area I am concentrating and showing. Now in this example I wanted to show if you are posting, after posting the material, what is the effect on that? Before we have seen that one, there is no material, and now after the initial stock, this purchase is just like an initial stock, and we will, after that we will buy the new stock again. So now in the initial stock, let us go and see. You can see after posting the material demo SP02 raw material, in that 100 pieces we have posted with the value of standard price, because we have selected for the SP standard price, so it is their standard price here, and total value of stock is 5000. Here it is showing total value of the stock is 5000. The standard price before we have taken 50, and this is the first time, so that's why the moving average also it is recorded as the 50, but it keeps valuation process with only standard price. So now let's go to the another document. We are not changing anything in this. Now let's see the moving average price. We will choose only directly that accounting only, accounting view 1, and we will enter into that view directly. We are not interested to see others. So now here this material change material, in this material is demo MAP02. In this we have kept the process, this valuation process is V, moving average, and you see 100 piece when we brought it, moving average also it has become, because this moving average what we have taken with the same price, for 50 we have taken our purchase price, and it has come, because before there is nothing is there, average it will come same thing. So this is the effect now. And now second scenario, what we have done, we will purchase the material 200 pieces as I have explained, in this case moving average 200 pieces we are going to purchase now. What effects it's going to price, what effects is going to happen, we will observe now. Okay. See here, I have made another purchase order for buying the new material. As I told that 200 pieces we are going to purchase new stock, but both the cases I have buy 2 items at a time, because to avoid the time for purchase we have created one for standard price, another for moving average price. So I have taken 2 of the items, I have made a purchasing with the 200 pieces with the price 60 pieces. You can see here, you can see here a new purchase order. Purchase order number is different, is 271 450017 271. Before one is different. So this is a new purchase order, demo SP02 item, demo MAP02 item with 200 pieces with extra price higher than the standard price, 60 here, 60 again, for both of them same plant and all this. So now when we have done this, what it has shown the effect in the what it has shown in the stock value. Let us go and see. To check this material, we can go to the MM01 for creation, MM02 for change, as MM03 is for display. I am going to see with MM02. So first let us go to the standard price first. Yes, enter. After entering, you don't want to see all of them, wasting of time, so deselect all of them, select only account and go directly to that account one view. So you see here standard price still is same thing, 50, and 300 pieces. Before 100 pieces it was the value 5000. Now another 200 is added with the new purchase, 10,000 euros more. So total it has become 15,000. As in our case, see if we moving average in standard price, you see here in standard price situation 2000 when we have bought it, 5000 plus 2000 when we have bought it. Let's see, when I buy it as 2000, the posting will be 15,000. You can see here 15,000, but the actual value you have bought it 17,000. 5,000 plus 1,200, 17,000. This 2,000 where it has gone, that I will show you. See here 300 pieces with the standard price of 50 pieces, it has total stock value it has taken as 15,000, but actually it is not that one, it is 17,000 it's supposed to be, because we have made the stock value is 12,000 stock, the purchase price 12,000 euros, in second for 2,000, for first one is 5,000, total it's supposed to be 17,000. Where this it has gone? Let's go to the material document which we have made GRN. You can see here after the purchase order, this is the purchase order. In this purchase order, if we go to the material document here, or I already opened for you, is this the material document is same thing. So after the purchase I have made GRN for that, because until and unless you will not take the GRN, with only purchase order there is no financial effect will be there. Financial effects happens only after the GRN and invoice will create it. So before the invoice, even GRN is okay for your demo purpose. So I have made the GRN with the same material. You can see the material with the 200 again another one. So now if I open this document, clearly it will show you, see the account here. Inventory raw material account, it is posted 10,000 value, because the first one I have taken as a standard price. So 10,000 why it is, because standard price is 50, 200 pieces total, it has posted into the raw material with value of 10,000, and earlier it was 5,000, that's why it has become in this account 15,000 only. Whereas excess, you have bought it for 12,000 in this, and the difference of this 2,000 is posted to the income from price difference account. Income from the price difference account it is posted. So the excess value it is posted to the another one. Whereas in case of moving average one, because both of them we have taken into the same purchase order, both the materials. So other material is its value is 12,000 euros and directly posted to the goods received invoice only. This is posted 10,000 for inventory, here 12,000 for inventory. There is no difference, because everything whatever it has purchased, goods received is there, it is posted to the inventory only. But here whatever it is received, goods received value, it is posted only 10,000 to the raw material, inventory material, and remaining 2 for income and price difference account. Okay, you understood now. Because of these three accounts has taken place because of the standard price. 50 price whatever it is there, it is posted to the raw material. Remaining excess price amount, it is posted to the price difference account. So in the other case, it is posted, everything whatever it is there, it is posted to the inventory of raw material. That's what. So now the standard one, have I shown the material for this is standard price. You understood now. So the remaining, where it has gone to the price difference account. Now let us go to the other material and check, is it the price is changed. You see here, as I explained in my example, the moving price will change because earlier one is 50 and now 200 pieces additionally. With that, the price has changed to the 56.67. So with this price 300 total value, it will become 17,000 of real stock, whatever you have paid for this. First one is 5,000, second one is 12,000. Total you have paid for this one, that is the stock value. And now it has made it as an average 56 point. But the price earlier one is 50 and later one is 60. So average it has become the 56.7. I hope you understood how it is changing this. So now we are going to issue some material in this. At what price issuing in standard price one, and at what price material is issuing, at what cost, not price, at what cost the material is going to issue for consumption in the moving average and standard. We will watch with the example. Now I have made already, for easy purpose, I have made already the goods issue. Anyway, I will show all of them detailedly. So goods issue, I have made it in MB 1A T code. So now this is the goods issue. I have made it 100 pieces of this item and the other item. Now the postings we will observe before going to the item accounting data. See this accounting data, how it is postings is happening. You see here the material which is standard price one, withdrawn at the rate of 50 only. That's why 100 pieces I have withdrawn. So 5,000 amount it has consumed from the raw material account. It is withdrawn 100 pieces with the value of 5,000 and it is posted to consumption of raw material. Consumption means it is consumed for your cost center, this cost center. Whereas same cost center I have used it for the moving average material, that is withdrawn with the price of 50.6 something, 56 point something, 667. So 100 pieces we have withdrawn it. So the total value from the inventory is withdrawn with the value of 5,667 amount, and it is posted to the consumption raw material, this value. So the same material, because of increased price here in the moving average, it is posting at that time what moving average price is there, that moving average price only it is going to post. I hope you are clear. Now let us go to the material document. Quickly let us go to material MM 02 we will watch inside the account of the material MM02. First we will see the standard one. Yes. Directly we go to accounting. Watch here, standard price. Standard price is still same thing, and here the stock presently is now 200 pieces. With this 200 pieces with the standard price 50, its total stock value is 10,000 euros now. So it is not going to show that how much quantity it is, what price it is withdrawn, because it is withdrawn with the 50 and before it was 15,000. That's why 100 pieces, if you remove 5,000, is becomes less. I have already shown in the document there. So exactly it is matching like this. It is going to calculate in this way. Now we will go to the another material. We will not see all of them, they are defaulted. I will see only accounting. Here you see the moving price average. Moving price is 56.67. Now the stock is, we have removed 100 pieces from this. Before it was stock was 300. 100 we have removed. This present stock, it has become 200 pieces, and with this price 56.67, the total value of the stock is 11,333. So now next scenario, what is our next scenario? We have issued it and we have seen this effect in both the cases, and now we have to purchase again. Then what value in moving price? We understood, we can predict in standard price it will be same price only, and the stock value how it is affecting. And in moving one, if we purchase a new price, what stock value is going to change, stock price is going to change, that we will see. It's supposed to happen. Yes, let's see. See, I have made another purchasing order. The number is 17272. The first one is 0, after one is 71, and now 72. So similarly, same thing like before, I have taken these two materials, SP02 and MAP02. Now 300 quantity I have taken for both the materials. You see that the price I have taken lesser than the earlier. First the price was 50, later we have made it with the 60, and now we have reduced the price 40. So when we are reducing the price, what effects it is happened? We can go to the purchase order history. We can go to the document, GR and goods receipt also I made it for this. We'll go to this document. This is the GRN for that, and go to the document info. Here you see FI document, you can open it and you see here how the postings are made. The first one, standard price one material, for that inventory posting is with 15,000 euros, because 300 pieces at the rate of 50, but we have not bought for with the 50 price, 40 only, but system has taken as 50 because of standard price. 15,000 euros it will become. It is posted to the value to the inventory stock. And goods received to persons, the vendor supposed to get 12,000 only. The remaining 3,000 is going to post it for the income from price difference account. Again you can see the name, different account people, they will keep it different, but price difference account it is going to post. And the second item, it is not posted to anything directly, it is posting to the inventory raw material only. We bought it for 12,000 euros, and all the amount whatever 12,000 is, it is posted here for 12,000. Here what happened, it is posted with a higher price, bought it with lesser price, posted with a higher price. Here whatever price is there, it is posting to that material only. I hope you understood. Let us go and see in the effect in the material. Now this material, first we will see standard one. I remove this. Yes, these are all the material. Enter. And deselect all of them. Select only accounting view. Go to the data to see that data is open. Now the moving price is changed to the 46.67. The total stock is 500. Earlier it was 200 pieces. With purchasing of new stock with 300 pieces, it became 500 pieces, and total stock value it has become to 25,000. Because since it is calculating with, here we are not interested, it is in standard, so it is calculating with the 50 standard price. So 500 into 50, 25,000 is the stock. Actually this is not the stock value, is spent it, but the remaining amount it is posted to the price difference that account maintenance will carry out that operation. Okay, so now we will see another material. How select accounting, go to directly that accounting data, see here 46.67 is the moving price, 500 pieces is there, 23,330.33 is the total stock value. You can see 23,333, but as per that point fraction value, it is because accuracy, SAP will show more accuracy. Fractions if I show, it will not understand properly. That's why I have taken round figures. With that it has come. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now we will go to, we have seen completely standard and moving price with examples how it works. Now we will go to how the information is organized. So before going to this, I have forgotten to show you the consumption in the additional data. Let me show that one also, so that you will be clear about completely the material master. So let's go to again that material. MM02 is the T code. Open this and only one accounting I will deselect all of them. select only one, go to data, and you see the consumption we have made 100 pieces. We have issued the 100 pieces for cost center. So that consumption also where it is recording and how it is there, we will see. I have shown you earlier in the first part. In additional data, the consumption screen is also there. You see the consumption screen. We go to that. Before there was no consumption, zero was there, and now there is a consumption is posted. You can see this 100 we have posted to consumption. It is recorded in the consumption screen. So for this material, it is posted into this period 9, that is 9th month 2016. The material is consumed 100. It is going to consume whatever, it's going to record the consumption whatever you are issuing it. So the consumption also it will useful for you in future. Now, how is the information is organized? How is the information is organized is material data is always organized in the same hierarchical fashion as or